Skills management and skills-based working are hot topics these days. As you can see, for instance, in this LinkedIn post on the top 10 skills for 2025, which is basically next year already, since we're almost into 2024 by about a month or so. In this case, these are the top 10 skills as determined by the World Economic Forum. You may have different ones for your organization or your purpose, but I'll just go with these. You can also see them in more detail on the site of the World Economic Forum because they publish a lot more on it. So you can just look at them and see what they mean with it and how they have come across these different skills. Wouldn't it be really helpful if you have determined those essential skills for the future, that you could assess those skills within your own team, department, or even entire organization? Well, that's what we can support you with at GuruScan. So let's just take a quick look at what that could look like. In this case, I'm already logged in as Jane Jones in our demo environment. So you can see top skills 2025. I'll just join that session and let's go with the inventory. The inventory will not just be about my own skill level, but it will also be about who I think are knowledgeable on these different skills. So I can basically connect skills to colleagues in order to make their profile and build their skills profile as well. So while I'm talking, I'll just keep also adding more names. As you see, you get those skills one by one. You can read them and you can connect them to experts, basically, who you think are good at this knowledge topic. You can enter as many people as you like. Usually it's good to enter 2 or 3 names. If you don't know anyone, you can also skip a topic. If you know more people, it's always good to maybe enter a few more names, but never more than 4 or 5 names, because then it becomes an overkill. So then it's probably smarter to reduce the number of names and really focus on the top people there. Analytical thinking, I don't know, so I'll just skip this one. Go to problem solving. And just submit innovation. Who should know about innovation? I think it's Ilko and Renzo as well. Probably Marnix, my dear colleague. So we'll just keep on going, entering different names to the different topics. Just quickly showing you how you can do that with the entire knowledge network. And we're already done, so let's move to the next round, which is my own knowledge inventory. So here I can list my own knowledge level. In this case, for active learning and learning strategies, I'm pretty good. Innovation, probably intermediate. Critical thinking, generally not that good. I'm creative, but not really critical. Technology is also not really my thing. Well, I am really creative, so don't know anything about analytical thinking. Technology, again, not really good. Relatively stress resilient. Leadership, well, advanced. Problem solving, probably expert. And I'm already done. So you can see that literally within a few minutes, you've made a knowledge network. I'll just show the network view straight away. So here I am. I used a demo user, Jane Jones. And if you zoom in, you can also see the different skills. So I'm now linked to, for instance, resilience. I'm linked to innovation, creativity, creative thinking. And you can also see the other people that are linked to that. So you can see Renzo. He's a pretty well connected person. So that means that other people recognize his skills in this network. And of course, there are also people that are more on the outside of it. So here, Bart, Samuel, Lillian, and Maurice are also on the sides. Maybe that's good, maybe not. Of course, a lot depends on who these people are. So you can always do a more in-depth analysis. But this basically shows you how you can use skills frameworks and social recommendations to very quickly build a skills repository and really start using those skills and using those skilled experts to get your job done in your organization.